So, hi everyone, it's me Percy again, and for today's video is a celebration of Jayen or Ayen. So, it's her first birthday. So, nandito na naman tayo makikain. So, I inviting you to witness sa kanyang birthday. So, again guys, Ayan is, mabata siya compared to NJ kasi si NJ is 1 year na, so magkasunod lang sila ng month. So again, today is his birthday, so samahan nyo kami. Please do subscribe and click that bell button para po sa mga susunod naming mga palabas.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got you feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
So guys, honestly, puno yung kanilang bahay ng mga bisita. So ang mga nandito, so yung mga ninang-ninong, at saka yung supervisor namin. Shout out to Ma'am Simona and Ma'am Christina. So, we're thankful na nakita namin kayo dito. So, it's been a long time na hindi namin sila nakasama kasi nga sa akin, maternity. So, sila naman ni Ate Linicel is nag-iba na sila ng companies, but yung connection and bonding together is nandyan pa rin. So again, thank you po sa mga bisita and Ma'am Christina, Ma'am Simona, sa your time is mostly appreciated. So mga ninong at ninang, so hindi ko na sila maisa-isa, but kain lang kayo ng kain. But nakakasaya kasi ang sarap sa pakiramdam kapag yung ibang lahi is gusto nila yung food natin, 'di ba? So mostly kasi magkaiba yung taste natin talaga sa kanila. So but thankful tayo kasi parang gusto na nila yung ating mga pagkain ba. So masaya tayo na yung pagkain natin is nararamdaman din nila. So, again, to Montañez family, thank you so much for inviting us. And to Ayen or Jayen is, we're hoping na you need to obey your parents. So, someday, paglaki mo is, we're not just, hindi lang sa yung successful yung prayer namin sa'yo, kundi most makilala mo si God para soft lang yung buhay at saka easy lang, no? Hindi naman lahat ng time na nandito si mama at papa, but you need to, kailangan mong mahalin yung sarili mo para makakaya mo lahat ng mga trials in life. So, again, to Ayen and Montañez family, thank you guys sa pag-invite sa amin at hoping na masaya yung kanilang mga invitation. Masaya yung kanilang celebration, no? So, again, thank you sa food. Maraming salamat sa masarap na food at saka everyone enjoy and let's celebrate the birthday.